Trying to get a military discount on American Airlines? Here's exactly how to do it. And if you're active duty or a veteran, stick around till the end. I'll also break down all the extra perks most people miss. Start by heading to the official American Airlines website, aa.com, log into your account or create one if you haven't yet. This is required to access the military booking options. Next, plug in your flight details, where you're flying from, where you're headed, and your dates. During the booking process, look for the option to apply a military discount. It might not jump out at you immediately, but it usually shows up around the fare or payment section. If you don't see it, no problem. Just reach out to American's live customer support, let them know you're eligible, and they'll guide you through applying the discount manually. They'll ask for proof of service, like a military ID or a certificate of service. Once that's verified, your discount will be applied to the booking. But here's the best part. American Airlines doesn't just stop at a discounted ticket. If you're active duty, you're allowed up to 5 free checked bags, each weighing up to 100 pounds if you're traveling on official orders. On personal trips, you still get up to 3 bags, each up to 50 pounds, completely free. You also get priority boarding. Just show your military ID and you'll board with Group 1, no matter what ticket class you booked. If you're flying in uniform, you can even access the Admiral's Club Lounge. Yep, for free. Just show your same-day boarding pass. Got a working service dog on official duty? Pet fees are waived when they're flying in the cabin. And if you're planning a vacation, don't miss this. Through the We Salute Plus program, formerly called Veterans Advantage, you can get up to 10% off flight and hotel packages. It's a solid set of benefits that most people don't even know exist. So that's everything. And hey, if this saved you money, hit that like so others can find it too.